Entering test results. After the test has been performed, enter the result values directly in the Test tab. Each test has a result field beside the test name. Type the result value into the field. The normal range is shown on the same line, so the person entering the result can quickly compare the value with the expected range. If the value is outside the normal range, the system highlights it to make review easier. When the result entry is complete, update the request status. For example, you can move the request from pending or specimen received to result entered, result checked, result approved, or completed, depending on your laboratory workflow. The timeline records status changes and important actions, so there is a history of what happened to the request.